Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Ziegler and I am the upper school principal at Hope Academy in Minneapolis. Many of you already know that I enjoy making Minnesota cold videos in my free time. Now more than ever, it's going to be important for us to try to do things to stay connected. So I thought it would be fun to make daily videos with three things. One, something fun like a magic trick or a science experiment. Two, some dad jokes for your enjoyment. And three, some type of a word of encouragement for your day. So here we go. I had to go dig out my treasure chest of magic tricks. I'm going to show you one of my favorite ones today. With all my magic tricks, I don't really have magical powers. There's just a secret that you don't know. You probably have seen me blow bubbles in the wintertime before outside, so today I'm going to blow some bubbles inside. If I grab one of the bubbles, it turns solid just like that. What cheese can never be yours? Nacho cheese. What did the buffalo say when he dropped his son off at school? Bye, son. Last dad joke of the day. What do you call an old snowman? Water. Got a riddle for you too. I'm not going to tell you the answer to this till tomorrow. How much dirt is in a hole that is 3 feet wide, 3 feet long, and 3 feet deep? I will tell you the answer to that riddle tomorrow. And some encouragement for your day. Deuteronomy 31:8 says, "The Lord himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged." That verse is very encouraging to me right now because it says that our God will never leave us. No matter what we're going through, he's going to be there right by our side. So do not be afraid, do not be discouraged. Thank you and have a wonderful day.